My name is Dr. Michael Turner, and for over 20 years, I've helped older adults stay strong, mobile, and independent.
I've seen what truly works, and the science is crystal clear when it comes to protecting strength as we age.
Many people believe daily walking is enough, but relying only on that means you're missing a huge part of the equation.
Walking is great, but it's like building a house with just a hammer. Today, I'm giving you the screwdriver you've been missing.
If you're ready to stay strong and independent, watch this video and follow the exercises with me step by step.
If you rely on walking as your main form of exercise, I want you to give yourself a pat on the back. Seriously. But what if I told you that you might be missing out on a huge piece of the puzzle for staying strong and independent? While walking is fantastic for your heart, there's one simple movement backed by solid science that does a much better job of building the muscle you need to prevent falls and protect your bones. And in the next few minutes, I'm not just going to tell you what it is. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it safely, no matter your fitness level. First, let's get this straight. Walking is a fantastic activity. It gets you outdoors, improves cardiovascular health, lifts your mood, and keeps your joints mobile. I tell every single one of my clients to walk regularly, and you should be proud of your walking routine. But, and this is the crucial part, it's not the best tool for fighting the biggest threat to our independence as we age, age-related muscle loss. The scientific name for this is sarcopenia. It sounds complicated, but it just means we naturally lose muscle as we get older. Starting around age 50, we can lose 1 to 2% of our muscle mass every year if we don't actively work to stop it. This is why things that used to be easy, like carrying groceries or getting up from a low chair, start to feel harder. It's why our balance can feel a little shaky. Walking, for all its benefits, is an endurance exercise. It trains your muscles for distance, but it doesn't challenge them enough to trigger significant strength gains. To build, or even just maintain strength, your muscles need resistance, a load that tells them, hey, you need to get stronger to handle this. The science on this is incredibly compelling. While walking is great, studies consistently show that resistance training is far superior for building actual muscle strength. One study, for instance, compared women over 65 who either walked or did resistance training for 16 weeks. While both groups improved their physical capability, only the resistance training group saw significant strength gains, a whopping 66% increase in leg strength on average. The walking group showed no major change in strength. Here's the kicker. According to the CDC, the ideal weekly routine for older adults includes both aerobic activity, like walking, and at least 2 days of muscle strengthening activities. Relying only on walking leaves this critical benefit on the table. So what's this powerful movement? You don't need a fancy gym. You already have everything you need. One of the single most effective functional exercises for seniors is the chair squat. Yes, it's that simple. But don't let the simplicity fool you. The chair squat is a powerhouse because it perfectly mimics one of the most fundamental actions we do every single day, getting up from a chair. Every time you stand up from the dinner table, get out of your car, or rise from the toilet, you are performing a squat. It is the #1 functional exercise for an independent life. Let's break down why this one exercise is so crucial. First, it builds real-world strength. Chair squats directly strengthen the exact muscles you need to live on your own terms: your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. These are the powerhouse muscles that get you upstairs and give you the stability to walk on uneven ground with confidence. Second, it's a game changer for fall prevention. Strong legs are stable legs. Falls often happen because our leg muscles aren't strong enough to catch us during a stumble. Chair squats build a strong foundation, improving the major muscles and the smaller stabilizers around your hips and knees, which dramatically enhances your balance. Third, it helps build stronger bones. While walking does provide some weight-bearing benefit that helps slow bone loss, strength training creates a much stronger stimulus. The tension from a squat signals your bone-forming cells to build new, dense bone tissue, which is your body's natural defense against osteoporosis, especially in critical areas like your hips. Finally, it boosts your metabolism. Working large muscle groups like your legs and glutes burns a lot of energy, which helps your body manage blood sugar more efficiently. Before we start moving, your safety is my #1 priority. Please check with your doctor or physical therapist before starting any new exercise program. Now, let's get set up. You just need a sturdy, stable chair. A solid dining room chair without wheels is perfect. Avoid soft armchairs or anything that feels wobbly. Place it on a non-slip surface, not a slippery floor. We're going to work through this together. I'll show you a few different levels from a gentle starting point to the full movement. The most important rule is to listen to your body. There's no prize for pushing through pain. Find the version that feels challenging but completely safe for you. All right, let's get to it. First, a quick warm-up to get the blood flowing. Let's start by sitting tall on the edge of the chair. Simply march your feet up and down. A gentle lift of the knees. We're going to do this for about 30 seconds. Feel your body waking up. Good. Now, some ankle circles. Lift one foot and gently circle your ankle 5 times one way and 5 times the other way. Excellent. Switch feet. 5 circles one way and 5 the other way. Now for the main event, the perfect chair squat. I'll break it down into simple steps. First, the setup. Scoot to the front third of your chair. Your feet should be flat on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Place your hands on your opposite shoulders, crossing your arms. This stops you from using your arms to cheat. Sit up tall, pull your shoulders back, and gently brace your core. Second, the upward movement. Lean forward slightly at your hips, keeping your back straight. Now drive through your heels. Imagine you're pushing the floor away, and use your leg and glute muscles to stand up all the way. Squeeze your glutes at the top. And third, and this is the most crucial part, the controlled descent. This is where the real magic happens. Don't just plop down back down. Reverse the motion with total control. Hinge at your hips first, pushing your butt backwards as if you're reaching for the chair. Keep your chest lifted as you slowly lower yourself until you're gently seated. What if that feels like too much right now? No problem at all. Let's talk about modifications. Modification 1 is the assisted squat. Do the exact same movement, but place your hands on your thighs. As you stand, you can give yourself a gentle push for a little help. The goal is to use your legs as much as you can and your arms as little as you need. An even gentler version is what I call the sit-to-stand prep. From your starting position, just practice the very first part. Lean forward, shift your weight into your feet, and lift your hips just an inch or two off the chair. Hold for a second, and then control it back down. This is a fantastic way to build foundational strength and confidence. Ready to try a set with me? Choose the version that feels right for you today. We're aiming for 8 reps. Remember, quality over quantity. You've earned a nice, gentle cool down. Let's stretch the muscles we just worked. While seated, extend one leg straight out, heel on the floor, toes pointing up. Sit up tall and gently lean forward from your hips until you feel a light stretch in the back of your thigh. No bouncing. Just hold this gentle stretch for about 20 seconds. Good. Now switch legs. Extend the other leg and lean forward into that nice, easy stretch. Next, for the front of your thighs. You can stay seated or stand and hold the chair for balance. If standing, grab your ankle and gently bring your heel toward your glute. If seated, scoot to the edge and just extend one leg back slightly. You should feel a stretch in your quad. Let's hold for 20 seconds. Wonderful. And switch to the other side. Remember, a stretch should feel good, never painful. So there you have it, the simple but incredibly powerful chair squat. Your daily walk is wonderful for your heart and mind, but adding this one strength exercise will truly protect your muscle mass, guard your bones, and secure your independence for years to come. Please don't think you need to do 100 of these tomorrow. Consistency is king. Start with just one set of 5 to 8 repetitions 2 or 3 times a week. As you get stronger, you can add another set or a few more reps. Progress is made in small, consistent steps. If you found this helpful and you're ready for more simple strategies to stay strong and mobile, I would be so grateful if you would hit that subscribe button and join our community. Thank you for taking this time for your health today. Remember, every single repetition is an investment in your future. Stay active, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.
Give us a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and come join our community.